Alright, hey everybody. For the past couple days, have been working on a video, and I've been running into the same issue every single time, where when I go into the preview, I stop the video, there's an audio delay, and it's all messed up. Every time I make my cuts, the video is ruined, and I have to start from scratch again. And I just figured out what the problem is. So, for an example, if this is what you've got going on right now, let's see. Alright, so the video is playing, right? I'm going to stop it right now, and you'll see the audio continues to go on. And the fix for this is go to your preferences, go to preview, and change it from direct sound to Windows audio. So this is my headphones here. When I do this, I'll restart it. Alright, so now I'm back in, I restarted it. When I play the video, it stops immediately. So there's no more audio delay. What a simple fix. I looked online everywhere. I could not find the answer. And I finally messed around with it enough to the point where I've got it to work. So hopefully this works for you.